Let me tell you a little secret. Tonight's dinner can taste like you spent hours in the kitchen without actually doing it. These are the kind of meals that come together fast, but make your taste buds feel like it's a special occasion. 3 weeknight wonders, each with a full homemade sauce, a fresh drink that pairs beautifully, and a little snack that brings it all home. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or trying to impress guests without stress, this is your ultimate dinner lineup. If that sounds like the kind of kitchen magic you're into, go ahead and subscribe, and share this video with someone who thinks weeknight dinners have to be boring. Because what you're about to see will make even your laziest night taste like something out of a restaurant. Let's kick things off with a creamy garlic chicken skillet that's quick, comforting, and totally satisfying. This one's a crowd pleaser. Great for picky eaters, perfect for leftovers, and yes, it tastes like something you'd order at your favorite sit-down spot. Start by rinsing and patting dry 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Slice them horizontally to create thin cutlets. They'll cook faster and stay juicier this way. Season both sides generously with kosher salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and a light sprinkle of paprika for color and warmth. In a large skillet, melt a tablespoon of butter with a drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, add your chicken and sear it on both sides until golden and crisp on the outside, juicy and tender inside. Don't rush this step, the flavor from that sear is everything. Now, in that same skillet, add a few cloves of minced garlic and let it sizzle until fragrant. Pour in half a cup of chicken broth and reduce slightly. Then comes the magic. Half a cup of heavy cream stirred in to create a luscious milky base. Toss in a handful of grated Parmesan and stir until it melts into a glossy, silky sauce. A fresh squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of parsley bring it all to life. This sauce is rich but balanced. Perfect over pasta, mashed potatoes, or served just as it is with a spoon to swipe every last drop. Serve it with a chilled cucumber yogurt salad. Crisp cucumber slices folded into creamy Greek yogurt, brightened with fresh mint, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. It cools down the richness of the chicken and makes the plate feel complete. For the drink, toss some ripe pineapple chunks and freshly grated ginger into a blender with a splash of water. Blend until smooth, strain if you like it refined, and serve over ice. It's sweet, spicy, and packed with natural enzymes that help with digestion, perfect after a creamy dish. Now let's talk snack. Got stale bread? Don't toss it. Slice it thin, brush with garlic butter, sprinkle with mozzarella or any cheese you love, and bake until golden and bubbling. These cheesy garlic crisps are ridiculously addictive, and they go with everything. Next up, dinner 2. We're making spicy egg fried rice with a chili honey drizzle. A total game changer for using up leftovers and making them feel brand new. Use cold, day-old rice for this. Trust me, the texture is key. Scramble 2 eggs in sesame oil until fluffy, then remove them. In the same pan, stir-fry chopped onions, diced bell peppers, shredded carrots, and green beans until they're tender but still vibrant. Add the cold rice, breaking it up as it heats. Splash in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of garlic powder for depth. Fold the eggs back in, and toss everything until steamy and fragrant. Now here's the twist. A simple chili honey drizzle made by warming honey with chili flakes and a dash of hot water. It's sweet, spicy, sticky, and transforms the whole dish. Pair it with oven-roasted sweet potato wedges. Cut thick, season with smoked paprika and cumin, and roast it until golden brown with slightly crisp edges and fluffy centers. A great alternative to fries, and they reheat like a dream. For the drink, we're going with a cranberry lime iced tea. Brew black tea and let it cool. Mix it with cranberry juice and a squeeze of fresh lime. Serve over ice and garnish with mint for a touch of freshness. It's tart, refreshing, and balances the heat of the rice perfectly. Snack time again. Try spicy deviled eggs. Boil 6 eggs, halve them, and mash the yolks with mayo, Dijon mustard, hot sauce, and a little garlic powder. Spoon or pipe the mixture back in and dust with paprika. Make them ahead and store chilled. They get better by the hour. Now let's wrap it up with dinner number 3. A cozy bowl of creamy mashed potatoes topped with sweet chili beef stir-fry. It's hearty, satisfying, and full of flavor. Peel and cube Yukon Gold potatoes and boil in salted water until fork tender. Drain. Mash with butter, warm milk, garlic powder, and a touch of sour cream if you like. Season to taste. It should be smooth, fluffy, and deeply comforting. For the beef, slice flank steak or sirloin thinly and toss with smoked paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Sear in a hot pan until browned and juicy. Add sliced bell peppers and red onions, then pour in soy sauce and sweet chili sauce. Let it bubble and glaze the beef into something sticky, glossy, and savory sweet. On top of those mashed potatoes, spoon a generous helping of roasted red pepper sauce. Just blend roasted red peppers, garlic, olive oil, and a little broth until smooth, then simmer briefly to thicken. It's smoky, slightly sweet, and makes everything taste gourmet. Serve this with a quick sauté of shredded green cabbage and julienne carrots. Just garlic, olive oil, and salt. Let it soften but still hold a little crunch. Light, bright, and adds fiber to your plate. And the drink? Blend fresh, seedless watermelon with orange juice until thick and vibrant. Serve cold with a slice of orange for a juicy finish that screams summer. Snack. Slice corn tortillas into triangles, brush with olive oil, sprinkle with chili lime seasoning, and bake until golden. Crunchy, zesty, and a little addictive, perfect on their own or with dip. And there you have it. 3 full weeknight dinners with all the extras. Creamy garlic chicken, spicy fried rice, and sweet chili beef bowls. Each one complete with a homemade sauce, a smart drink pairing, and a snack that makes leftovers exciting again. These meals are quick, comforting, and full of flavor. Which one are you making first? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing what you try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks dinner is always a chore. Thanks for watching, and stick around for more fun food stories because I've got more quick dinners coming your way.